This morning, and welcome to Ouch Palang Show, and Demesi.
To everyone tuning in this beautiful morning. It's Telecom Fiber Friday.
Yeah.
As you all know today, Fiji Showcase 2026 kicks off. And also, Bayan Otiani saying good morning and sending good morning vibes to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning from wherever you are tuning in from.
I would like to say good morning to all the students, good morning to all the drivers of the RSL, the LC, to all the drivers of school bus, school van. Thank you very much. To the yellow cab,
Right.
for everyone who are being part of this morning. Today, the opening of Fiji Showcase.
Right?
So today too, if you are wondering what is coming in the afternoon, there will be a two band performing.
Right?
Neither more, furthermore, or neither less. Sinatali bitawa sa mundo tali nangauna, there is no time of staring.
Nonetheless,
Nevertheless, furthermore, and to conclude.
namola essay.
Yeah. So there is no time for staring because
right.
7:30 to 8:30,
Right.
Taubu Tribute will be performing on the stage, and from there 8:30 the joining, the surge, the merge
Right.
of the Semaika
Right.
Yeah.
until 9:30. If there's no place,
Right.
Yeah.
if there's no opportunity,
Yeah.
if there is no place for you to take your loved ones,
Right.
Yeah.
to be part of this, sangonong ko sa dendre mindari na maraw.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right.
Some of us are rarotungan siya kinambong. When we open our Facebook, we face difficulty. Nabi kasi nabi bosura kena
Right.
kina.
Yeah.
Nindari ni bangko tauni, nakatukin nabi bosa datak. Di lang ni bangko, ato ni bale, sa ating
English,
kumota.
English.
Ta is swearing.
Yeah.
Mommy is crying.
Right.
There is so many places we go. We need to be happy. We need
Right.
peace.
Yeah.
We go to the supermarket. We want to buy this thing. Hey, yesterday said come here.
Right.
It's $2.
Yeah.
Now I look back. Now it's $5.
Right.
How come? It's like that. There is no
We need
place
to be
to come
entertained.
and echo,
Right.
my
Right.
relax,
Yeah.
so that you can motivate yourself to the planning you have for the future. So you can come
Okay.
to the showcase. What you
Right.
want to see?
No, you mentioned some of us are angry in the day and also angry in the night.
Yes,
Do you feel angry at night?
We
No,
some
this one angry in the day, happy at night.
always, of course. Mula kabila melinganganga. Good morning, and also to the people to Naubisai
Right.
Yeah.
and Tila Bata,
Right.
and not forgetting Sireli and Isimeli.
Yeah.
William melinganganga
Right.
Olindi.
Yeah.
Good morning to you, and also this one from Belfast, England.
Oh, okay.
You know Belfast from England?
Yes, yes.
Where is Belfast?
I've been there, Belfast.
From England. And I'm not to Tinay Phoebe.
Yeah.
Good morning to you, the Sukonatambua family all over the Fiji Island. Nawangam bena na ita siri sere na lewakini. Dombulo bena.
What can be the reason you become angry at night?
The reason why you make us men angry? Why? Why you always
No,
you as a woman?
No, you mentioned that angry at night, angry in the day. But what can be the reason? Because at night we're sleeping.
Okay.
So why are you feeling angry?
This one want to finish all team.
Anyone can angry.
Right.
You can angry at what you are look.
Right.
Ni ko rito boleh ndona ka as a dream. Because dream, what makes you angry?
Okay.
Ni rito bongo into na kabinaka. There is something good in front of you.
Right.
When you are dream,
Right.
and nangona saranga mo boro bole katutiri kina kabinaka, then you wake up.
Right.
That's what make us angry.
Oi.
So as a woman,
Right.
what makes you angry?
Nothing makes us angry because that time we were sleeping.
Okay.
Right.
Why you angry about daddy?
This one not only got angry at night,
Right.
angry and hungry.
I think that's the reason for the angry is because of the hungry.
Joki rekam bola-bola bina berala.
Hey,
Belfast is from Ireland.
Right.
Yeah, Island yo, Belfast.
We want to happy.
Yeah.
Kali si wang kalibado. Yes, this weather is for happy
If you
everyone.
want to be happy, you go to the Fiji Showcase 2026.
Yes,
Because
Noah.
if you always listen to the radio and you hear them, you watch them in the YouTube, today,
Yeah.
tonight, you
Tonight.
will see them face to face.
Oh,
Double tribute and the balloon.
the double shot serangan on the
Right.
music group ya. Roser rabi tarabi sa katalating wakatu kuno chiko Thames. No time to
Stay.
Right.
Utsikan dua sa on talan dua.
Iya.
Ngai mat serbi na karurua.
Don
Right.
Binaka.
Na serbi mo.
Right.
Rongo rongo chiko ngolong na salika kembro Benak Beat FM. Ikororong sa na stage na sila.
Wakandua. There's no one.
Rakin ni ba kata-kata.
Iya.
Lantani si tu kya.
Alright.
Yo, ni natak tu lantani si kya bola.
Okay,
Good
good
morning,
morning.
Dance Malambi.
Dance malambi dia.
Dance Malambi on the stage.
Iyo.
Bentari and the family, good morning. And everyone joining. Walma, Double Barosi, to all the Veuto Primary School students.
Right.
Oh, yan rin
For the awards night. Netball
Iyo.
will happening next Friday.
Right.
Right.
Good, thank you all the best for joining this morning. We say good morning to you and the family.
Say good morning to the Wangabada family and Korkula and Korkolebuka Magaviti. Meli Kelera Dawin or Susanna or Susan. Tiwasa Mama Teta ke tua samu naomake. They are listening in every morning to Ouch Palangi Show Yan Binaka.
Bina mo sa bito kan mo tagdi bing grab ko be kemni na bakanda dem is please change your style.
What
Be
style?
happy at night. Don't be angry.
Yes.
Be happy, be happy.
True,
Be satisfied. Be satisfied all the time.
All right.
Hungry or full.
Okay, if
Remain happy.
be happy all the time.
Iyo.
Right.
So how can we happy?
Look for an happy hour.
If you want to be happy,
Yes.
and if you're feeling hungry and you are
Alright.
angry,
Oh, yeah.
just what you do, you can feed yourself.
All right.
Just stand up and
How can
for
daddy
yourself.
happy?
Yeah.
How can daddy happy? As a mother side, from a side of view, how can daddy happy?
daddy has to. If daddy wants to be happy,
Yeah.
then you have to provide daddy with the food because daddy will be
Happy.
hungry.
Yeah.
And when daddy becomes hungry,
Oh.
He's
he
gonna
will
be
want
angry.
to. Yeah,
Yeah.
he
If,
is
if
right.
daddy is hungry,
Yeah.
daddy
He'll
will be angry.
Right.
Right.
Yeah. So the main thing there is the food.
Okay,
Right.
food.
Yeah.
Cook the
And
food.
depends what type of food you want to eat.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And sometimes daddy too want to drink the milk.
Right. True.
Hey,
True.
that trespass. To all the mummies out there, some of us and the within Ruby, we are angry about anyone. Wait, from there, we need to be happy all the time.
Yeah.
Even though you are face difficulties in life,
Right.
you have to be happy. So nanguna some difficulties you face. Saliyado kinanabiya tasere. No, take it.
Yeah.
Ngori na meda sino iko.
Right.
That's
Take it as a challenge.
challenge.
Yeah.
That's your challenge and the opportunity are behind.
Right.
The challenge. What is there, Adi? The opportunity
Right.
that help you to contribute into your future.
Contribute.
Contribute. Yes, sir.
Saya na bertala staff ni Rento Kill Initials sa kimami suko ti kongko staff kaya kay naman India. Erblaka.
Binabalem Sara, Bennett Sare. Someone is coming. Why you back? Good morning, good morning. Lim? Right. Kali siwang ribalo, mami fi... Ooh.
Aha.
Kalisi.
Abang boleh tu main boleh bilang si Sare,
Oh, yan na ka.
Bennett.
Bana jare Arbinaka kede Tine Gracie,
Yes, ang may nandongo.
Cecilia Arbinaka minantali
Nonto
bypass.
sista ya, wati na nonto tabalo, tamay Grace. Boleh bilang.
Netscal Junior Arbinaka.
Ah. Pusan, doon na kere-kere.
Arbinaka LS Tine Tukana. Naba mo?
Doon na kere-kere tito. Walo tuwa way nimbuka. Doon
Eh,
boleh bilang.
doon
Inia,
Arbinaka.
kay dolo, boleh bilang ka. Ngongay butia may rewa, tamay en tinay lela. Isa, kenda nangonongo, we are now in the salisur na yung bakin. Ngong limsar biba kato bulin doya do bikenda, nandun namin dandaun day. So nangono kaya bako bakla, nimbimbi man ay ru, nimbimbi man na bosa. Tumandang bito na punong gori kakuno dun relisyon, nimbaltero sotero na kata-kata kena kata-kata. Tapos na yado?
Katambote.
Katambote. Kinambal-mbal ni sa bakila, nindo na ngayon, no, sa tapos kinando ng bata-bata na kata-kata. Sindo na kata-kata-kata-kata. Pamalum utang, pamalum.
Yanare.
May umbula rega amasi hubui. Oy sinarusa, may na 138 Noga Avenue, Kayla, East, Victoria, Melbourne, alolo mambimbi uane. Isa. Mbambi tunga tumbuna, mi yandere, kimi yandere, mi yandere.
Arbinaka loata, Arbinaka Kiara, no banan atu siyusun. Jare.
Oh, binabalem sa?
Nabukay ni langi may ngaw, ngomo may suika bitutok nga, mitutok no mundo bengare, pala lina pa sutinay tara. Alolo mo tayo no tamay tara. Nabulo ang bureta, walaw dombula. Isa.
Namale mo na bitaw kayo
Today
mga
is
na
Friday.
matakunan ko. Yes.
Be happy all the time.
Right.
Be punctual to your family time.
Right.
Eh?
Dono.
Be attitude to your
Be disciplined.
discipline. Truth. That's the truth.